So let's start our class. Welcome to today's maths class. Today we are going to do chapter 6, lesson 6.5. It is only about tens. So you are going to learn about tens. Today's date is 29/11/2020 and the day is Sunday. And the pages that we are going to do today is for the classwork, page 356, 357 and 358. And the homework page will be 359. So let's start. Let's see what we are going to do in this lesson with the tens. So we are going to make the groups and then we are going to write how many groups you have made of 10. We have made 3 groups of 10 and then the ones. The remaining numbers will be for the ones. You have already know how to do the tens and the ones. Again, we are going to make the group. We are going to group them, the 10. We are going to make the circle of 10 and we are going to count how many tens we have here. And then we are going to write 3 and then 2. So that will be 2 ones. Then we have here count the dots. So here we have, let's count the first row of the dots here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have here 10 dots. So that makes my 1 10. So let me group it. This is 1. And again, I know this is all 10. So this is 2 groups. So now how many 10s I have here? I have 2 10. Before you have making only 1. But now you're going to make 2 10. So now it is 2 10. So now let me fill it. This is 2 10. And now count how many we have here remaining the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 6 ones. So how are we going to write here? All together how many we have? Yes, we have 26 equal to 26. So all together we have how many dots here? We have 26 dots. You know why you count by tens and ones? Because it's very easy to count. You don't need to count all the 1, 2, 3, 4. No need to count the dots one by one. You can group them. You can make the group of 10 and then only you can count the ones. So that will be easy. So altogether you have 2 and 6. So that gives you 26. So let's see one more example. We have count the blocks. The same way. Now, first we can count one box, okay? One row we can count so that we know there is 10 inside it. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, yes, it is 10. So, I'm going to make one group. Now, I know it has the same size. So, of course, this is also going to be 10. Yes. So, now how many groups of 10 I have? I have 2 groups of 10. So I'm going to write 2 10s. And how many ones? These are the single ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 ones. So what do we have now? Yes, I have 26. Yes, very good everyone. Yes, so we have 26. That is 2 10s and 6 ones. That is only ones. We have the groups of 1. So that we have 26. That is 2, 6, 26. Let's see your video.
Hopscotch! Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 3 groups of 10 is 30, 4 groups of 10 is 40, 70 is 7 groups of 10. It's like counting by ones with a 0 at the end. And when you reach 100, you can start again. 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. Count by tens.
Open the page, everyone. Page 356 in your book. And write the date on the top. CW. '26. Sorry, 29, 11, 2020. CW 29, 11, 2020. Write the date. Page 356. 356. Okay, so we have here start. You can group 1 to make tens. So you can group ones to make the tens. So we have here 1 single cubes. We are going to put them together and make the group of 10. Sorry. So I'm going to make the group of 10 here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 here. So I'm going to make the group. This is one group of 10. And this is two group of 10. So how many groups of 10 I have here? I have 21s. Because if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, I have here 21s. So that is 21s equal. How many groups of 10 you have? Yes, so we have two groups of 10. So I have two groups of 10 here. Do I have any ones left over? No. So that will give me 0 ones. So now I have 20 here. So 2 0 will give me 20. Now draw a quick picture to show the tens. Last day you have known how to draw the tens. You're just going to draw the two lines to make the tens. 1, 2. So that becomes 2 tens equal 20. Because you don't may have to make the circles because there is no ones. Ones is 0. So you're going to make just two lines. We are just going to do the tens. Now, use the cubes, make groups of 10, write the tens and the ones. So we are going to make the groups of 10 here. Now, let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in one line, we have 5. That means 5 plus 5 becomes 10. So I'm going to make this group as 10 group 1, 2, and 3. So I have here 31. So how am I going to write it? I'm going to write it as 3 tens and 0 ones. And let's draw it as 1, 2, 3. 3 lines for 3 tens. Write your answer here. 3 tens equal to 30. 30, 30. It's written down here, 30. Let's again make a group of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have one line of 5, another makes it 10. So 5 plus 5 makes it 10. So let me make a group of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have group of 4 tens. So let me write here 4 tens. Do I have here any ones? No. So that will be 0 ones. Now let's draw how many lines? 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, so we have 4 lines. And let's write here 4 tens equal. You all know the answer. So it is 40. Yes. 40, 40. Yes, excellent. Celia, Rawan, Lamar, very good. Yes, your answer is 40. Yes, you all know how to do it now. Make the group of 10 and start writing the numbers. 10. After you finish, let's move on to the next page, 357. 357. It's a bit tricky one, so let me tell you how to do this 100 once. So how many we have here? We are going to write it as 10 tens and 0 ones. So this is how we are going to write it as 100. And then we have 10 tens and 100. 10 tens equals 100. So we are going to make 10 tens. That is 10 group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are going to make 10 groups of 10. On this page, we are going to do the mid-chapter checkpoint. That is the revision of the chapters that we finish. So the first one we have here, use the counting chart. Count forward, write the numbers. So look at the numbers here. We have question number 1, 63. And the next number is 64. So we are going to write the next number. Look, this is count forward by tens or ones. Tens or ones. Write in the chat box. It is 10 or ones. Write 1 or 10. Very good, Celia. I got the answer from Celia. Yes, very good. Celia and Iliana. Very good. Excellent, Lamar, Nulin, Reem. Very good. Warif. Yes, excellent. So your answers are correct. Very good, Lama. So this is count by ones. So the next number will be 63, 64, and then we have 65, 66, and then 67. Then question number 2. 108, 109, and 110. That will be 110. 111, 112. This is count by ones. The next one, use the counting chart, count by tens. They have mentioned here. Write the numbers. So let's count by tens. Question number 3. We have 42, 52, and the next number will be? Very good, Livia. Excellent, Lamar. Very good, Zainab. Yes. So the next number will be? So 1, 10, and 2 ones. So right here, 10 plus 2. Altogether, how many you have? 10 plus 2. Yes, 10 plus 2 equal 12. Very good. Now, use the cubes, make the groups of 10 and ones, draw your work, write how many. We have 15. So, we know how many tens. That is 1 10 and 5 ones. Now, they asked us to draw. So, let's draw 1 10 and 5 ones. So, 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have already done it? Now, question number 7. Choose all the ways that name the model. So, we have the models here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, which one is the correct one? Is it 60? Is it 60 tens, 6 tens, and 0 ones? Which one is the correct one? 60. Is this the correct one? Yes, this is the correct one because you can write it as 60. Now, can you write it as 60 tens? No, you cannot write it as 60 tens. So, this is not the one. Now, 6 tens and 0 ones. Can it be like this? Yes, we can write it this way also. 6 tens and 0 ones. That gives you 60. So that's all for today's class. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care and do your homework.